Lisa from The World and Us, and Javi joining me today. We're going to be unboxing something that we have been waiting for a few months now actually. So in case you don't know what this is, join us for the next few minutes so that you can find out how amazing what's in this box is. So we're super excited, so let's get to it now. Now this literally, get it up here, this literally only got here about 20 minutes ago. So we've been patiently waiting for them to set up the camera so that we could get going. Open, open! I was hoping it was going to get here for my birthday about a week ago, but it didn't happen. But it's okay, it's here now. Javi, pull this one here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are in. Stand over here.
It's a one bite.
Yeah. Come on.
I like that one bite.
It's another bag.
Yes.
So let's have a look. Should we pull it out, Harry?
Yes. It's a one bite.
It's a bag. Oh. Check this out. So what we've got here is the Hie Bag by GroVia. This one is the Coolie colour. They've got 4 colours from the Kickstarter campaign that started last year, mid-year. And we are super duper excited. We actually have our next international flight coming up in just over a month. Joaquin just got up. We've got our next international flight coming up, and this is going to be amazing. Not only is it going to be an amazing nappy bag, it's also a fantastic travel bag. Well, we haven't used it, but I'm so sure of it. And I'm going to show you some of the features if you haven't seen our previous video. Wowzers. So my apologies for the background noise, but the kids are excited with the boxes. So first impressions, it is gorgeous. The colour, to be honest, it was really hard to tell by the samples that we had seen online, but it's just beautiful. You can really see the quality, the tag. So excited. Alrighty, so let me show you a little of the bag. So as you can see, we've got a complete Hie Diaper Bag, which would be the American term for nappy bag. It comes with a cooler, which currently fits a couple of milk drink bottles or any snacks that you might want to put in there. It also comes with a changing pod. I've seen this fit so many nappies, wipes and everything you need for a quick nappy change. This basically helps you, so if you need to do a nappy change but you don't want to drag your whole bag with you. And I'm just really blown away by the quality. I had heard of how great the quality was by the people that have already gotten it. Most of the people that got in the Kickstarter campaign received these bags over the past 1.5 months. So as international people, we have received it just at the end of the delivery. But it's completely stunning. So if you're looking for something that's quality, that is really worth your money, this will be the nappy bag to go for. It's got so many compartments. It's nice and open. It's got the clips here. I'm guessing this is for the pram clips. And again, very sturdy material. This is the shoulder strap. Wow, she's gorgeous. And this is the foldable changing mat. And it's so easy to use, so it gives you the ability to just open it, have all your contents of the things that you need here. If you got your pod in there, you will have your wipes ready to pull out, change the baby, and zip it all back in, easy peasy. You can also unclip these, so if you're planning on using this bag for other purposes, let's say your baby's in a toilet train, you don't need this, pull it aside, and you don't need to be using that anymore. So there you go. What else do we need to show you? Now I'm really happy with the colour. We also have one more to show you. One of these is actually for the winner of our competition that we ran a couple of months ago. Now hiding back here, we've got the backpack straps, which is another reason why I was so looking forward to this bag, because with my current nappy bag, whenever I'm going somewhere, if I've got Joaquin in the baby carrier, it's just really difficult to carry the other bag hanging off to the side. Whereas for this, it will give us the ability to pack it all up, pack Joaquin in the carrier, or have it, wherever it needs to go, and then pop this on our bag. So you can simply just... Hello. You're hiding in the box. You can simply loop that through there, and if you need to use it, you have it in the box. Now I can see us using this a lot, especially when we travel, as we need to have all hands available. Now if you thought it was going to be really flimsy to put the straps back in to the bag, not at all. It's actually really quite simple to use. It's very user friendly. And the one feature that I was looking forward to as well, as you can see, I was looking forward to a lot of features, which is why we got this bag in the first place, is the ability to easily undo this zipper and automatically gain all this extra packing room. So I'll show you inside the bag. Just by undoing that, I suddenly have a much larger bag. Which again, it's an awesome feature to have if you're going to be traveling and you need to pack a bit more on your carry-on, or if the only bag you're taking is a carry-on. So really happy with this bag. I wanted to mention the Joey charger that we're supposed to have with this bag. Unfortunately, due to regulations in Australian law, they couldn't actually send us a Joey charger, so we do get to miss out on it, but they did give us a refund on it. But we do have the pocket still here available, which means that we can go purchase one that might fit in here, and then you can still use the same feature. So if you are in the US, you'll have access to that. So if you check out some of the other videos online, you'll be able to see what it looks like. And lastly, in here we should have the key fob, which is another godsend. I constantly lose my keys, which David would agree with. You simply attach that to your key, and then when you need to put your keys away, you just drop them in there. That clips on, you never lose them. So amazing. So we'll just put this to the side. So guys, here it is, the complete Hie set. So if you buy the complete bag, this is all your items that you're going to get with it, along with the Joey charger, which is not currently pictured. And now we wanted to show you the second bag. As I said, one of these is going to our winner, which has been waiting for a while to get her bag, unfortunately. And oh my goodness, I love this color. They're both gorgeous, but I think right here, this is our favorite. So this is Oxford, and this is Cooley. So you can see it's a little bit different inside in colours. This one's got that blue colour, this one's got that kind of beige sort of colour. And again, it comes with the same stuff, it's a complete set. When the nappy goes live, which I believe it's at the end of this month, you can actually go off and purchase just the bag by itself, or again, you can purchase a whole set, which will include your nappy pod, your cooler. Again, simply amazing and worth waiting every minute for. And I nearly forgot, I also wanted to show you these last few things that we got with the bags. Firstly, I'll show you the wallets because we did get them in different colours. Now, 2 of these 4 colours are actually not available for purchase, only 2. 2 were only for the Kickstarter campaign. So I believe it's Carmine and Oxford. But do leave a comment if I'm wrong. So that's Carmine right there. You can get this colour again in the whole Hie Diaper set. And this is Basalt. That's what the wallet looks like inside. Apparently it actually fits a passport as well, a standard size passport. Very pretty, lots of room to put your cards in. And this was Carmine. And what I love about this as well is the little clip here. I believe you can clip this to the bag. You can also carry it like this, or you can carry it from your pram. Another item that we got from the Kickstarter campaign that I've been patiently waiting for is some of these nappies. This is a GroVia product, and this is the one nappy. I'll just open one just to show you in case you're interested in checking out some of their other products. This is basically a complete nappy system with the ability to use Velcro and snaps. That's the soft mint color. This is the new range that has actually just gone live. We've got grapefruit stars. So nice and soft. We've got a few wet bags. This is an exclusive design. There's the green ice cream. I'm not entirely sure what their proper name was. And this one. And a purple dot wet bag, which I am so in love with already. Now, if you have been on our website, you would have seen some of our articles mention that wet bags. It's an amazing product to have when you travel with kids, or even without kids. They can fit anything into them, and this is just gorgeous. So that's what a wet bag looks like. And lastly, we've got some GroVia wipes. And the last of the disposable case, this goes into your pod. So this is it. Finally, the wait is over, and I'm super excited and happy to have this product with us. And to our winner, thank you so much for waiting for the bag. We're going to get it right out to you now. So thank you so much for joining us. This is it from us today. And if you think that the Hie bag is awesome, why don't you give this video a like? And if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so that you get to see our next travel adventure. Thank you from the world and us.